Good morning, student. This is MSc First Physics Semester 2nd, Atoms and Molecules, Paper 2nd. Now we have to discuss the next article, electronic configuration. We have already discussed in TYBSc Physics. What is the electronic configuration? The electronic configuration of an atom is the distribution of electron in various cells or subcells around the nucleus of the atom. We are all of the familiar of cells and subcells. Okay, there are four types of cell and many types of subcells. Okay, the electron orbit or cells in an atom are represented by the letters K, L, M, N, OP, etc. respectively. These are the cells number. Now the cells are divided into subcells. The electrons with the same orbital quantum number L for the subcell. The subcells are represented by small letters S, P, D, F, G, H, I, J, K. These are the subcell letters, etc. corresponding to the orbital angular momentum, orbital angular quantum number, momentum quantum number. L is equal to 0, S for 0, P for 1, D for 2, F for 3, G for 4, H for 5 and so on respectively. These are represented in table 1. This is the table. This table is orbital and electron capacity of the first four principal energy level. These are the levels K, L, M and M. This is the principal quantum number 1, 2, K for 1, L for 2, M for 3 and N for 4. This is the type of sublevel. In K level only one transition is allowed, that is called as S sublevel, and the number of orbitals is only 1. The number of orbital per level is, the formula is N square. What is the value? Only 1. The maximum number of electron is 2N square. Put this value in this equation, the value is 2. Means first cell, innermost cell K is equal to 2. This is the number of electrons. Okay. Then second one is L. The principal number of principal quantum number L is equal to 2. So two sublevels are allowed, S and P. The number of orbital types is S is 1 and P is 3. The total number is 4. This 4 number is put in this maximum number of electron 2N square. The total electrons in this orbit is 8. That is L is equal to 8. Then third one is M is equal to 3. The three levels are sublevels S, P and D. S level is 1, P level is 3 and D level is 5. The total number of electrons in these levels is 9. Put this 9 in this equation 2N square, the electron number is 18. Means third orbital is 18 electrons are present. Now last one is N is equal to 4. N 4 is the principal number. Then 4 state S, P and S, P, D and F. The numbers of orbital numbers of 1, 3, 5, 7. Only odd numbers are present, not even number. Only odd numbers are present. Total of this number is 16 electron. This 16 is, electron is put in this 2N square. All total numbers of electrons in cells are 32. Means N is equal to 32. Means innermost cell K is equal to 2 electron. Then outermost cell 18. Then outermost 8. Then M cell are 18 electrons and N cells are 32 electrons. The P orbital can hold maximum of 6 electrons. The D orbital can hold maximum number of 10 electrons and F orbital can hold the maximum number of 14 electrons. This is the capacity of orbitals. P is equal to 6, D is equal to 10, F is equal to 14. Above that are not allowed in these transitions. Okay. For example, chlorine. Chlorine atomic number is 17. The configuration, electrons configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p5. The total electrons are 17. For n is equal to 0, we get S subshell. For L is equal to 2, we get P subshell. For L is equal to 1, we get P subshell. For L is equal to 2, we get D subshell. For L is equal to 3, we get F subshell, and so on. It's my mistake. L is equal to, this is the 1. L is equal to, for L is equal to 0, S subshell. For L is equal to 1, P subshell. L is equal to 2, D subshell. L is equal to 3, F subshell, and so on. The letters S, P, D, F have historical reference. The letter S indicates sharp series, P indicates for principal series, D indicates diffuse series, F indicates fundamental series. The state of electron is denoted by writing the value of principal quantum number n, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity, before the correct letter which correspond to L values. Okay. For example, one state n is equal to 1, only one electron is present in this state, or L is equal to 0. In 2s state, n is equal to 2 and L is equal to 0. In 2p state, means second state, the n is equal to, principal quantum number is equal to 2 and L is equal to 1. 1 indicates for p state. Okay. Then 3s state, n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 0. Why 0? Because of S indicate 0. The K shell is the innermost shell which correspond to n is equal to 1. For K shell, n is equal to 1, therefore L is equal to 0. The possible values of ML is equal to 0. The values of EMS and EMS plus half and EMS minus half. Plus half means up transition and minus half means down transition. With these values of NL, EML and EMS can have only two non-identical sets of quantum numbers, as set is n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, ML is equal to 0 and EMS is equal to plus half. Then second set is n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, ML is equal to 0, EMS is equal to minus half. These two sets are allowed. No third set is possible. Therefore, according to the Pauli's exclusion principle, the K shell can have at the most only two electrons. 2 is equal to 2. We already discussed in last slide in table, corresponding to two distinct sets of quantum numbers. The next one is Hund's rule. According to this principle, for a given electron configuration, the pairing of the particle is done after each subshell is filled with a single electron. The Hund's rule states that when an atom has orbital of equal energy, the order in which they are filled with electrons is such that a maximum number of electrons have unpaired spin, not paired spin. This is not allowed for paired spin. Both exclusion principle and Hund's rule can be illustrated through the electronic configuration of the following atoms. For example, consider the electronic configuration of carbon. Carbon atom, the atomic number of carbon is 6. The electronic configuration is 1s2 goes to first innermost shell, 2s2 and 2p2. The electronic number of electrons are 6. The 2s electrons fills the similar orbit, whereas 2p electrons will be in various orbitals and align in the same direction in accordance with the Hund's rule. They can be represented in following diagram. This is the carbon electron configuration. This is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. The allowed transitions are 1s2 unpaired spin, 2s2 unpaired spin, and 2p. First cell is up spin and second cell is up spin. Okay, this is correct transition. Or otherwise, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 1s and 2s are fulfilled, then 2p down transition is also allowed. Okay, these are the correct transition or not correct transition are shown in this diagram. Consider also the electron configuration of oxygen. The atomic number is 8. Oxygen has 8 electrons. The electron configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. We have to already discuss how much electron field in these orbitals, p orbitals, d orbitals and f orbitals. Okay. To draw the orbital diagram begin with the subsequent observations. First one is the first two electrons will appear or will pair up in 2s orbital shell, means one is up and one is down. The next two electrons will pair up in the 2s orbital, one positive as well as negative, up as well as down. That leaves 4 electrons which must be placed in 2p orbitals. According to Hund's rule, all orbitals will be once filled before any electron double filled. Therefore, 2p orbitals get 1 electron and one will have 2 electrons. Hund's rule also specifies that all of the unpaired electrons must have the same spin. The unpaired electrons are drawn in spin up. Okay. This is the diagram of oxygen 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. 1s is full orbit, one is up and one is down. Then 2s also full, one is up and one is down. In 2p cell, first cell is fulfilled. One is up and one is down. Then second and third cell is up, spinning up. This is the Hund's rule.